Ready? สวัสดีค่ะ วันนี้เราจะมาทำเราจะมาทำไก่สเต๊ะแต่ว่าเราจะทำแบบง่ายๆเราใช้ผงทรงนะคะมันจะง่ายกว่า Hi everyone, today we go to make chicken satay and then we go to make everyone easy. We go to use our ready mixer from the packet. You can find it in Asda or Asian market.
They sell that one in Asda?
Sometimes they have it.
In the World Food Aisle?
Yes.
World Food Aisle, if not any Asian supermarket, Chinese supermarket.
Yeah. And then when you open the packet, you got set A and B. It means A for chicken, B for your peanut sauce. They got sauce for you, but you need to make this with coconut milk. I will show you later. And first, we go to use the set A first.
So set A first.
Yeah. You go to put. They will be like this. It's like a stock for the chicken, and then you can add like half quarter of coconut milk. Depend how much your chicken. My chicken is like 350 grams, and then you just need to mix together. When you mix the sauce and the coconut milk together, you can see they are ready. When you can have things like this, then you can add your chicken in. And today, I have used mini chicken brush.
Making mini chicken fillets.
Yeah, because they're nice and you don't have to cut.
Ready cut. So
Ready
yeah,
cut.
mini chicken fillets.
I already washed. Just at the end. Add the into your sauce, and you go to mix it together. Make the sauce, set A and coconut milk together, and then you can put your chicken in. Then you mix together. And you can see they are mixed already. And then you go to leave like this. It's you the clean fill cover up. And you can push back in the fish for half an hour or to 1 hour.
The longer the better.
Yes. Because for butter can get into the chicken. And then you can taste when you're cooking.
Okay, so the longer it marinates in the fridge, the better. So we're going to put some cling film over it and whack it in the fridge.
Yes. Okay guys, we back. After half an hour, we go to use bamboo stick to stick them. But before you use the bamboo stick, make sure you have a good soak with the water for 30 minutes. You know why? Because when you cook, you might catch the fry. Let's be safe. And then I go to use one stick with one chicken. We just stick that in.
Do you have an assistant cook with you today?
Yes, I have one of my friends. She come from Birmingham to have a cook with me. We got to have fun. Yeah.
Having a cook-off.
Cook off, bake off, cook off.
Would you like to make your hand dirty?
I'll do one.
We got to have fun today.
Have you bashed these first, Panta?
No. You just put like that. Oh wow, you got skill. You know how to cook?
Not daft me.
I know you do.
I know my way around a kitchen. Not a Taiwan, mind. That's gonna be there.
Does look very nice.
So they're ready to cook. We're going to cook them on, you can cook these in the oven, do them on a grill, barbecue. We're going to cook them in the George Foreman grill. We'll show that in a minute.
Right, now we go to make the peanut sauce. Not peanut butter. I go to put some coconut milk, like half tin, and then I go to add red curry paste, about 1 teaspoon.
That looks like 2 teaspoons.
That's about 2 teaspoons.
2 teaspoons because my teaspoon is too big. And then you brush.
Mix it all together.
When they mix together, and then you can add peanut butter. This peanut butter, I got to say 4 teaspoon.
Tablespoon. Teaspoon small, tablespoon big.
Sorry,
I'd say tablespoon.
I keep forget tablespoon and teaspoon is different. For me, it's the same. And then you go to stir, mix together until they be melt.
What heat do you have to have it on, Panta?
We start with a medium heat, and then
Medium's 5, that's 7.
don't let they be bubble,
Yeah.
just like steamer.
Okay.
And then you just stir until everything mix together. And then when everything mix together, you can have a little bit taste.
Okay.
Sometimes you might need a little bit sugar if you need a little bit more sweet.
Yeah.
Or if you need a little bit salt, you can add a little bit salt in there. But first, the best to taste before you add anything else.
Okay.
Do you remember the early when I say B is for peanut butter? Not peanut butter, peanut sauce. And then I got to add some. Because this one they come with a packet. They are ready to use.
Some or all?
I love all because whatever left when they left, I can use for deep for my vegetable. You just stir like this for 5 to 10 minutes, and that's it, done.
So on a low heat now then for about 5-10 minutes on a low heat.
Yeah.
Okay. So this is the peanut dipping sauce for the satay.
Right, I'm going to sample this sauce. That is so good. Sauce is ready now for the chicken to be cooked, and we're going to cook the chicken next.
There we go. Now time to cook, and then we use chili spray to spray the pan first before we put the chicken in, and then we just flush this with the coconut milk to make sure the chicken keep moist, not too dry. It's not cook. It's not take long.
You want to stop that? No? Both sides of the plate are hot, aren't they? Top and the bottom.
I go to put more coconut oil, coconut milk. And then I'm going to put the lid down.
Steaming! These only take about 5 minutes to cook, don't they? Don't take long in one of these.
Now again and you done.
Obviously, in Bangkok, on the street food, they'd be cooking them on a barbecue, wouldn't they?
Yeah, they are.
They'd be 20 baht.
Maybe we will try in the summer.
Barbecue, yeah. Well, you do them in the summer anyway, don't you? When you do your pork ones. Okay, so that's the first batch is done. I'm going to take them off and whack some more on there. They've been in for 4 or 5 minutes. Not long.
There you go. It is done now. It looks yummy.
So chicken satay and peanut
Sauce.
sauce.
And then later we go to let Becky and Margaret try, and then they will let us know what tastes like.
So then, taste test. Becky and Mark, there you go.
Ready
Taste test.
for it. That is so good.
That's good.
There you go. Thai restaurant style.